This is Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro versus Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max speed test battle, and I can tell you guys this is gonna be an exciting one. So comes in these package, Xiaomi got 120 watts of power brick inside the box, which I do appreciate. Now the spec difference is quite huge. So Qualcomm 8 Gen 1 versus A15 Bionic chip from Apple, 12 gigs of RAM versus 6 gigs of RAM. Yes, I'm also gonna show lots of images shot using both these devices, so make sure to watch it full. Now booting both these devices, Xiaomi versus Apple, and yes, this one runs MIUI 13 based on A12. The Apple iPhone has latest iOS 15. Both are expensive max out flagship devices, so yes, can see Apple is like way quick in this one. Now kicking things with dialer, and that is way fast on iPhone. Messages, same. Play Store versus App Store, and that is quick on Xiaomi. Scrolling is smooth on both these devices, that's cause a 120Hz high refresh rate. Now camera, and that is fast on Apple. Switching to front facing, and Xiaomi is quick there. Settings, and I wanna show you guys the design difference, hole punch versus in notch, high refresh rate on both, max out resolution on Xiaomi. So these were some basic stuff, moving to some heavy games like Angry Birds, and from now on you will see the real difference. So yeah, Xiaomi is faster in this game, Apple is a bit slow. Now Genshin Impact, a 14 gigs game, so Xiaomi without any doubt is way fast in both opening animation and also loading speed.
Nothing to it. Wow, who is that? There's something huge in the sky. It's headed towards the heart of the forest. We must proceed with caution.
So after playing this, I can tell you guys no lags and both were amazing, but I felt Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro was more smooth than Apple in this game. Yes, overall experience was better in Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro. So now Mortal Kombat, an amazing high graphic fighting game. You can play this with bot. So can see in this one Apple is like way quick. Xiaomi was 4 to 5 seconds late. So there we have all favorite PUBG, and I play this game a lot. You can play this online with your friends or random players. Here awesome game it is. And in this one Apple wins once again. Now both these can play at max out settings.
And play responsibly.
So the overall gaming session was amazing in both these devices, no lags or hiccups at all in this game. Now Gangster Vegas, it's a game like GTA, you can drive cars and fight anyone, do anything you want. So again Apple is faster than Xiaomi. some internet-based social media apps, Instagram, and wow, once again Apple is way fast, my profile, and again Apple is quick as snap. Reddit, and there too Apple is like way quick. So now rendering and exporting a 1080p video file via Adobe Rush, here we go. So yes, without any doubt, Apple is like 10x faster than Xiaomi. This device is invincible in this session. Microsoft Word 50 MB document, and here we go. So once again Apple is like way quick. Now RAM management test, Dialer, that is a refresh on Xiaomi, Angry Birds, Genshin Impact, Mortal Kombat, that is again a refresh on Xiaomi, PUBG, they're in both, Gangster Vegas, okay, so that is a refresh on Apple, which is shocking, Instagram, Reddit, Word, and finally settings. So that is again a refresh on Apple. So both these devices are amazing in terms of RAM management. In terms of speed, however, Apple got the lead in if not all but most cases. This could be because of Xiaomi MIUI 13 or 8 Gen 1 CPU not optimized to the software. Here are some benchmark results. So in Geekbench, Apple is 1748 single core and 4849 multi-core. Xiaomi is 1172 in single core and 3563 in multi-core, which is shocking. In Antutu benchmark, Xiaomi is at 9,67,000, that is awesome. Apple is 8,21,000, not far. So now here are some camera samples. So I think in daylight, the images shot using Xiaomi are more bright and got better dynamic range. The colors are more vibrant in Xiaomi in comparison to Apple, which is keeping it natural. Xiaomi got some distortion in terms of wide angle images, which is fine, but shockingly there is no macro mode in Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro, and Apple is like way good in macro images. Xiaomi got 2x telephoto lens, which can take some awesome high resolution shots. Apple of course got more zoom and can take some awesome images as well. Some night shots, and they both have done an amazing job. I can tell you guys, Xiaomi is giving a really tough competition to Apple in this one. In some cases, Apple got nicer photos, but the noise is more, and in some cases, Xiaomi is doing an incredible job. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.